In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix mobile data not working when it's already connected. There could be a few reasons why your mobile data isn't working when connected. It could be due to network issues, incorrect APN settings, a problem with your SIM card, or even an issue with your device's software. Have you tried troubleshooting by restarting your device or checking your network settings? To check your network settings, simply head into your settings. Head into Mobile Data. Select this option of Mobile Data Network. You will have to first put in the APN. It can be any number. Choose any password and username of your own choice. Tap on Save. Switch your data off. Then turn it on. And check if it's connecting. If not, just reset your iPhone. Let me know in the comments section if any of the above options worked for you. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.